Let's see what we got over here, poppies.
So we built a swarm trap out of an old, deep box that was basically falling apart and baited it with lemongrass oil. And then we just came back today. It's been like, what, 4 days?
Yeah, not even a week.
Look at that.
That's beautiful. Hi, ladies. You just decided to move on in, huh?
But you can see, look at them all just clinging there. They're like,
Hi,
what
girls.
a perfect house. Okay, now I'll give them a... Just a couple pounds of bees.
Miz, what's Bobby's got there, man?
Down here or something. What I've got here is 2 boxes. One's empty. I've got sugar water sprayed in there to give them something to do. Give them a little boost. And then 2 empty frames, 3 empty frames, and 3 with comb. It's old
Beautiful.
comb we pulled out of another hive. That one I left dry in case the queen wants to start laying right away.
Good idea.
But these ones have a considerable amount of
Beautiful.
organic sugar water. We just rubber banded it up here. Take those 2.
Looks like a big present.
This sound doesn't. The 1 frame of brood comb I had in there.
Okay. My prediction is that they just showed up yesterday. So she might not have had time to get straight to work, but who knows?
So it's a little tricky because I'd love to just take the box and set it right on top, or the lid right on top with the swarm in it, but if there's more bees on the walls and on that comb.
Hi, ladies. Oh my, gorgeous.
Just leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it.
That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
And just like that,
Perfect.
you're home.
Want me to help?
Yeah, just so we don't snag it. They're so mellow.
Seriously.
Now we'll just tip that.
There you go, ladies. You can just walk on in.
We should just walk in. I'll move that later today.
That was a nice sized little cluster, huh?
Oh yeah.
Alright,
Let's
ladies.
peek under there again.
You just walk inside, okay?
Jeez.
That's beautiful.
Okay, now. Ooh. Yep. Not a bad little place.
Good job, poppies.
Yep, so that's pretty easy.